stop the music. That is hands down the worst part about deciding to record tonight is not being able to continue listening to tunes, man. You know, when you just want to keep listening to the tunes because the tunage is so good. Am I all synced up? I'm gonna do a little sync. I'm gonna click, click, click. What am I doing? All right. This is unfortunately not the video that you want if you're looking at finding some proper instruction for the MPK Mini 4. I've never used this. I've never used MIDI anything, really. Hold on a second. How loud am I? I'm loud. That's how loud. How loud am I? I'm really loud. I'm that loud. I'm loud. I have here the MPK Mini 4 compact keyboard pad controller. I am completely new to the world of MIDI controllers. This is also the beginning of my Logic Pro journey. I've played with GarageBand a little bit, but not Logic Pro. Recently got Logic Pro so I can start, you know, making some music and stuff. I should start over. Just keep it going. I got really prepared, guys. I got really prepared for this. All right, anyway, let's just get into it. MPK Mini 4. I didn't look up like instructions or anything. We're doing this as if you were doing this like me, which is to say free of rules, instructions, advice. Nope, you're just gonna follow alongside and we'll see what happens. Man, this thing is sweet. Let me get it in the camera there. That's gonna be part of the challenges, not hitting stuff. Trying to get like everything lined up in a way that is appealing, but also works functionally. Like I said, I really planned this out, guys. Really put a lot of effort into this production. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and plug in. God, is it gonna focus on that? Focus? No, it's not. It's not gonna focus on this. You know what a USB cable looks like, right? Plug her into the computer. I never really thought about it. We can't go like that because then it's gonna cover up the MIDI out and the sustain pedal that I don't have and I don't plan on using. Is that correct? This thing is... First impressions, inserting the USB cable into the port does not inspire confidence. It's like loose and wiggly in there. It doesn't like click in a satisfying way to let you know that it's in there. So I'm gonna try the other end because that's just, no, wait, there, that one clicked. Do you know how to use a USB-C cable, Kurt? No, apparently not. All right, we just plugged it in and everything's so far so good. No, we're gonna do it like this, no rules, bastard. I'm recording on the screen here as well. And it says, allow accessory to connect. Yeah, duh, that's why I plugged it in. Now what? Now what do we do? Now we look at the instructions and try to figure, I mean, so it does come with like a little booklet. What do we do here? Scan here to get started. Well, how do you scan? You're using the computer. Scan with your phone and then what? Do the handoff thing to open Safari up on your laptop? No, we're not doing that. Screw that. That's a bad idea. Let's go to Safari. And we're gonna type in, this is what I would do. This is what I would be doing right now if I wasn't making a video. I would go, shit, man. I would even type shit, man, into the search bar and see what kind of terrible things come up when you search that. All right, let's focus and be real. Get real, Kurt. AKAI, oh God. I mean, obviously I've done research on this before I bought it. I didn't just like buy something without knowing what it is. I didn't look up too much instruction. I looked up, like I watched a video. I watched like an video once. What do we do? Products, sounds and software. That's what we need. Wait, right? What? Downloads and support? Downloads and support or sounds and software. What sounds like the first one? Sounds and software. Let's do it. This, like flash splash page video that they got going on here is like really intense. What's happening here? There are people, there's this lady jamming, right? I don't even need to play. I'll just watch them. That's insane. Downloads. View all downloads. And we're going to find Mini 4 downloads. That looks like what I have, except a different color. Mine's black, obviously. So you're going to go ahead and find software for your operating system of choice. Here we're on a Mac because, I mean, it doesn't matter what I'm on. You know what you're on. So how are you all doing? I should probably stop the recording during boring bits, but you're all the way over there. This one's over here. And then I would have to stop this screen recording here, and it would just be a real fiasco. And before I would guess, I would be giving up on it all. So let's see, let's find this thing. We're gonna open that up. What do we got? In Music Software Center. Go ahead and clear our downloads. What was that other one that looked really interesting? Downloads and support. Isn't that where I'm at? So did sounds and software lead me to the exact same location as the downloads and support? Or did I just like, I don't know. I just took a round trip somewhere. Anyway, we're going to install this. Apple is such a freaking baby about installing stuff that it didn't make. Yes, we're moving it to the applications folder. See what I mean? In Music Software Center was prevented from modifying apps on your Mac. We're gonna hit allow because fuck you, Mac. My computer, Mac. I wanna do with it what I please. Okay, welcome to the In Music Software Center. I don't have an account, so, oh wait, I might have an account because I have had a head rush thing in the past. So I'm gonna see if I can log in. Oh, I should really cut this part out. Forgot your password. Well, obviously I forgot my password. You know what? I'm not gonna do this. I'm pretty sure I need to make a new account. Let's just go ahead. Sign up for this. I'm also registering hardware. You bet your ass I am. Enter your serial number. Oh God. Really? I gotta just like look down and type this crap in. Don't copy my serial numbers. This one's mine. E8 2507 2607800. That's how my brain works. 26800 9982. I hope that's right because I'm not gonna proofread it. Nope. My name's Kurt. My last name is R-I-V-A. Don't copy my last name either. Use your own. This one's taken. This one's taken. Yes. Leaving this all in, by the way. This is, I'm gonna cut around it a bit, but you know. Did I confirm my email? Yeah. Do I have a confirmation email? In Music, profile, action is required. Confirm my account. Yes, baby. Cool. I'm parched because of reasons. We're in. What else do we need to do? See all your product, see registration details, register a new product. It's already registered. Let's go back to the In Music software. Maybe that will shed some light on what it is we're doing tonight. If you thought we were playing music tonight, you're wrong. Everything. Okay, continue. By the time I get anywhere meaningful, that camera's gonna overheat. This one's gonna die. I don't know how much like storage it is taking up to record this screen, but that'll get filled up. Yeah, you can know my music profile. I don't know. No, you can't, as a matter of fact. How about, no, you don't get to know me in music. How about that? How about I'm a mystery? You're a bitch to me. What am I doing? It's just bringing me round and round. This is, just wanted to like play music and it's like, what does it want me to do? Where am I going? Did I not sign in? Continue. Oh, gosh. Do I have to? You have to. This app would like to? No. Denied. Denied again. Is that it? Is that, we have to hit accept? What's that all about, man? Is there any way to do that with like denying it? Because that's what is In Music? What are you doing? Do I need in music? I probably do for like the software instruments. Son of a bitch. I don't want that. Mac OS, Windows. Yeah, let's do that. Discover sounds and software. What am I doing? This is what happens. You can't even just like, I don't know, start playing music because you're like fighting the power. Free download with MPK Mini 4. Studio instrument collection, right? Isn't that all I need? That's all I need. Free download only with MPK Mini 4. Yeah, that's why I got it. Where are you? Download. Where's it at? 404, page not found. What is this shit? Oh my gosh. You saw that, right? It's not just me. It's not just me. You saw that? You saw the whole like... I'm trying to get that light just right, but I keep pushing this, right? Isn't that neat? That's what I spent all my time doing, obviously. You saw that though, right? You saw how I went to download it and it was just like, nah, man. Downloads, where's it at? Page not found. What is happening here? Downloads, MPK Mini 4, downloads, software. All right, whatever. Do I need to use the software? Sounds and software. Mac OS Windows software. Yeah, why not? Studio instrument. It's a free download. Why doesn't it work? Oh my gosh. See, this is how they get you. They just keep making this go round and round and round until I was singing like very loudly earlier, and I've been kind of talking all day, so my voice is like a little shaky. How do I download this? My goodness. This is, okay, now I'm actually gonna stop this for a second because I'm too distracted. How is this battery even doing? Oh, good, good. I use all the battery. Honestly, that should be the first video right there, don't you think? That should just be the whole video 1 of this series. Like